Nike is gearing up to release Ja Morant's Nike Ja 3, a sneaker that has already generated strong anticipation in the basketball community. Highlighted by its bold, over-branded design that mirrors Morant's fearless personality, the Ja 3 comes in several striking additions, including the vibrant turbo green, inspired by the Memphis Grizzlies' retro aesthetics. This model showcases a dominant green hue accented with darker overlays on the upper and sole, complemented by a vertical swoosh for extra style. Also seen in other shades like Mink Brown, the Ja 3 is set to stand out as a centerpiece in Nike Basketball's latest lineup. Retailing for $135, the pair officially drops on November 5 via Nike.com, fueling sneaker fans' excitement as they await its arrival. Its design, storytelling, and timing make the Ja 3 one of 2025's most anticipated basketball shoes.